You asked and I've listened. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process on how you can apply for your Morocco e-visa. Now, before we get started, you need to know that you need to have either of the following, either a Schengen visa or a Canada visa, US visa, Australian visa, or the United Kingdom visa. Any of the Schengen country will suffice, provided that your visa has a validity for minimum of 90 days and has multiple entry on it. So if you have this, then voila, you're ready to go walk through this process with me. Now, without wasting much of your time, while we prepare to get started, remember, have you subscribed to my channel? If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the notification bell and let us get started. We're live now on the Morocco website. First of all, I'll show you how you can run a quick evaluation to be sure that you qualify to apply for the e-visa. You are expected to put your nationality here. As you see, do I need a visa to enter Morocco? So you can check that up. In this case, I'm a Nigerian. Then you put your residency. Say you reside in Nigeria as well. Wherever you reside, you can put that there. Your type of passport, diplomatic passport, service or mission passport, ordinary passport, so on and so forth. Everyone naturally does have an ordinary passport, except otherwise if you're a diplomat, depending on whatever your case may be. So we say ordinary passport. Now, purpose of trip: tourist, business, order. Usually tourist. For the purpose of this application, tourist visa. Do you have another valid visa? This is the most important part, because now if you do not have Australian visa, valid Australian visa, Canadian visa, Ireland visa, Japan visa, New Zealand, Norway, Schengen, UK or USA, then you do not qualify to apply for the e-visa. Remember, this is because of the nature of the nationality that is applying for this e-visa. Not all nationalities qualify, and even those who do qualify need to show a second visa. In this case, I would say none, even though I do have, so we can see what the result would be. Then you click on check. Now, can you see, according to the information entered, you will need to apply for the normal ordinary Moroccan visa. And mind you, I'm going to be creating a video as well showing you how you can apply for the ordinary Moroccan visa in the next video. So let's go back and now say, yes, I have a valid US visa. So we click on check. Can you see, according to the information entered, please submit your e-visa application to Morocco. So click on apply. Okay, so now that we are here, we just go on and use a dummy email as I always do. Select I am not a robot, click on enter. An email has been sent into your inbox, so you have to go there now and then confirm it. So when you check it, you confirm. You can see the email that came in here on the inbox, so you just click on it, scroll down, hello miss and sir, click on this to continue. So now when you've clicked on this, you are in. An account has been created for you, and you can then start your process of filling in your information and pay for your application online. Once you're redirected here, after clicking the email, you start to fill in your information clearly. Nigeria nationality already automatically selected. You have country of visual residence Nigeria. Insert your date of birth. So let's say my date of birth is sometime in, just pick a random date of birth, 1998, May 30. Passport document type, ordinary passport obviously. So tourist, purpose of visit, tourism. Do you have any other valid visa? Yes, I had selected US visa. Remember, I had done that. So you click on next. Now for travel conditions, any refused request is non-refundable, so you need to note this. I am traveling for tourism purpose solely, not business. I certify the accuracy of the information provided. I have a valid passport when leaving Morocco.
I have additional multiple entry visa valid for at least 90 days. This is going to be either the Schengen, Australian, Canada visa, USA visa. It has to have a minimum validity of 90 days with multiple entry. Please, in fact, if you don't even have it, you can't even conclude this application. You have your hotel reservation done in Morocco. You also have your return ticket.
What documents do you need for your e-visa? The number one document that you need is your passport photograph with a white background showing your face clearly with the proper dimensions. Also, you need to scan your international passport data page. Ensure that it is very eligible so you can upload. Have your flight itinerary on you, should be on standby. I've done a video for you to be able to make your flight itinerary for every visa application that you need. Also, your hotel reservations. There's also a video. You can just click the link above and it will direct you. Now, that's basically what you need for your e-visa application. Not so much. If you're going for business trip to Morocco, mind you, you're going to have to show proof of what's bringing you to Morocco as regards the business. So that's that. Let's continue from where we stopped.
Now you have sufficient financial means, which is €70 per day minimum. So this is clearly different from when you're doing sticker visa that is usually gonna request more funds to show proof of funds and home ties, financial home ties to your country. So you select all and then click on next. Okay, personal information, fill it again. Eziefule, first name Ifechukwu, date of birth is there, place of birth, let's put it as here, somewhere in Nigeria. Phone number, change it to Nigeria. Remember, any nationality can actually apply. 08012345678. Email address be oladejo2025@gmail.com. So occupation, choose your occupation from the drop down, select whichever one is applicable to you. I'm looking for the one to pick here for me. Let's say maybe business administrator, administrative entrepreneur. So let's just choose entrepreneur here. Passport number A01234567. Issued by Nigeria. Date of issue, let's choose 03 January. Date of expiry, let's choose 2035 January 2nd. Okay, so just gonna try and sort out this number thing. So next, I have one of the following visas valid from. So you select the date your visa is valid from. In my case, let's choose May up until US visas are usually valid for 5 years. So let's say maybe you have up to 2030, May 2030, or rather that will be April. So yeah, the visa number 4747481. Yeah, so expected date of arrival in Morocco, this should align with your hotel reservation and flight. So let's do 7th August arrival and leave 15 August. Number of entry, multiple entry. So you click on next. Now you attach a photograph here, you attach your passport, additional visa, and so let's just pick some. Okay, so we select that. Then for passport information, maybe we just pick something here, select, then select additional visa, which will normally be like your second visa. We just choose that, click on save. So you can see your e-visa will be valid until the 30th of December for single entry and a stay of 30 days maximum. So this is it. Okay, so this is your application number here, and you should be able to track your application with this. Note this number down, copy it and paste it somewhere so that you can always use it to track your application to be sure after approval you receive it. So when you're done, you click on enter, then you go and make your payment. Once you click on confirm request, you are done with your application. So it's straightforward, it's easy, very easy. But again, if you want me to assist you with the process, you can reach out to me on Instagram via my DM, or reach out to 360 Travel and Tours. They'll be able to help you to handle this application process at a service charge. All personalized services attract a service charge.
Now, I hope you enjoyed my video. As usual, I would always call your attention. If you loved the video, don't forget to hit the subscription button, like, and turn on the notification bell. Drop your comments as usual in the comment section. I'll be looking out for it if you have any questions, and I'll respond accordingly. Thank you for watching.